This is the drive side for the 2019 SubZero. It's built to be light and easy to repair in the field. It's made out of 3/8" aluminum with 3/8 bolts as cantilevered axles. It's got chain drive on the outside of the robot. Really left a lot of room for improvement. Now, let's take a look at what our team came up with. Guys, check out these amazing parts from SendCutSend. 3 to 5 business days to our door. They are beautiful, and they're going to go together beautifully too. So, this is our new drivetrain. We've done a million little changes. We've gotten rid of the chains, we've gotten rid of the keys, keyways, set screws, all of the little things that have really hung us up in the past. Totally changed. So as you can see, the way we're doing this is, we're going with a D-profile shaft, and we've cut that shape right into the gears. So you can see that it's a really tight fit. So tight that we're actually going to have to heat these up and pound these on. In addition to that, we've also added a key right into the pinion. So again, no set screws, no keyways. It's beautiful. So these parts, they came to us from SendCutSend in 3 to 5 days. All we had to do is tap some holes, and it's going to go together in a snap. Now, all of the materials and thicknesses we used here were stocked and available at SendCutSend. 3/8 6061 aluminum drive plates, 3/8 AR 500 steel gears, and Dado 60 titanium bearing retainers. All cut, vacuum sealed, and delivered to our door in 3 days at a fantastic price. Chris, our lead designer, spent weeks cramming the power transmission inside the robot, getting the gear ratios right, supporting the overhung axles and bearings across the drive plates. Nobody made gears this thin for the D-shafts we wanted to use. We knew we wanted to make the assembly dead simple, so we went custom. SendCutSend has really made building a BattleBot so much easier, and we're so fortunate to be partnering up with them to build SubZero. Now all we need is to do it again. Thanks again to SendCutSend for partnering up with us to build SubZero. For more information, see the links in the description. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more details on our build. And be sure to check out SendCutSend.com to get a speedy quote for your next project.